Hey guys, I hope y'all are all doing well. Sorry that the Georgia Seurat came late last week. Um, that being said, this one that I am going to post about Bridget Riley is not going to have a part where you have to create an artwork. And if you haven't created an artwork for any of your specific assignments, then you are not going to have a complete. It'll be a approaching written in your grade book. So keep that in mind if you did the work on the Google form but did not turn in your actual image. Um, if there is some discrepancy and you have turned in your image and I did not mark it that way, please email me. My email should be attached to your Google document so you can email me through there. Okay. So this is Bridget Riley. Um, she is an artist, meaning optical illusion, just like Georgia Seurat from last week. Um, he used color for his optical illusion. This one is actually lines and using the different colors of black and white or different colors in her images. Go ahead and watch this video. It's really short and sweet. You have this one where it kind of looks like it's moving side to side and you're kind of going into this warped sense of a hole, okay, into the screen. Here, this one uses really thin lines and then goes thicker. You can probably create this same sort of image, but she was the first one to kind of create this idea of optical illusion using simple shapes. It was during the modern times, but a lot of optical illusion came out at this time, but she was the first female to kind of do it and become famous for it. This one in particular, it kind of gets weird because you can see the lines are straight in certain areas, but then there's other areas where the lines are curved for these triangles. She did use different colors. The colors kind of vibrate together. And this one, it looks like there is a line going through it, or you're walking on a straight line and they're converging together in an area, meaning coming together. This one's kind of weird and trippy and hard to look at for sure, but I definitely see rainbow colors, which is unusual because it's a black and white image. If you have any questions, please let me know through Google Classroom. Um, Hopefully you can answer the questions appropriately to the images that you see. If you need to research some of the vocabulary words, go ahead and Google them. You have the world at your fingertips. Go ahead and use it. I will talk to you later, guys. Take care.